Hello YouTube and welcome. This is an unboxing video for the Citizen NB1060-12L that I have right here. And I wanted to do this video in a different format to the standard unboxing where people, perform this on a table or a desk. And you might be wondering, why am I doing here sitting in my car? And it has to do with the fact that nowadays we are being overrun by technology. So everything is heavily tech and, you know, uh, automatic and mechanical watches are of the last items that still, engage the user with the device in a different way. That's not the same engagement that you get with an Apple Watch, and on the same topic, vehicle, for example, this Porsche Cayman GT4. So when this vehicle was launched, one of the main attractions, other than being a track focus vehicle, was the fact that it was a complete experience of driver and machine engagement. So it had a manual transmission, it had a real clutch. You will go through the gears yourself. The car doesn't have all-wheel drive, so it's a rear-wheel drive vehicle, and basically, you are in control of the machine, and there are no buttons here. There is no tech really, getting the experience away from you. So basically, it's you and the machine being connected somehow, and that is what mechanical and automatic watches provide for us, is the engagement, but also somehow being unique, right? So a unique experience. So in the case of the Citizen, what is unique about it is the dial. So as you're gonna see when we get to do the unboxing, the main feature of this watch is the dial. So back to the unboxing. So the watch comes in this kind of flat rectangular box with a sleeve on top, and then the actual box at the where the watch is a black Citizen box. Nothing special about it. This is a GDM model that I bought from Sakura watches in Japan and got shipped to the United States. So now getting into the watch itself. So what we get is a small warranty card, which it says that it's only valid in Japan anyways. And so here it is. Here's how it actually comes. And I'm going to get this out so that you can see the dial. Now, this dial is different to other dials in the sense that this dial really pops on light, while there are some other dials that they really shine way too much when they are exposed to strong light. This one is kind of opposite to that. It is dark somehow, when doesn't have any light, it's almost like a dark blue, but then it comes to life when it's exposed to light. So I love the watch. It's a 38 millimeters. The only item that actually I don't like is the strap. The strap is a 19 millimeter strap, but it tapers down, I think, to 14. So in my liking is a little too thin, and I'm gonna be very likely swapping the strap for something a little more bulkier, but also different color. I think brown or cognac kind of strap is gonna look way better on this watch. But there you have it. So this is the Citizen NB1060-12. It's a automatic watch, Millora movement inside, 38 millimeters. The dial is just amazing. So a bonus clip here. So this is the car running, a little bit of a rest check. The SPV 297 right there, another beautiful dial, and that's what it's all about. Sometimes having a unique dial that is something that you should be looking for as well. Getting back to the GT4, I'm gonna give you a little taste of sound, and we'll close the video with that. I hope you liked this video. I tried it to make it a little different to the standard unboxing, if you will. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.